Welcome to a new video by our channel. Today we will be looking at the top 10 affiliate programs for 2022. What is an affiliate program? Affiliate programs are digital word-of-mouth initiatives. A brand that wants to create leads or enhance sales might partner with bloggers, influencers, and social media gurus. If they recommend their viewers to the specified product service, they receive a commission. Affiliate marketing can generate passive revenue. Sometimes it's difficult. The greatest affiliate marketing programs let you earn recurring money for years. Check out these top 10 programs. 10. Viglink. A popular choice among affiliate networks is Viglink, also known as Sovereign. It has user-friendly automation tools that enable the creation of affiliate links in a seamless manner. Adding the Viglink code to your website is all that is required. From there, everything will be handled on your behalf, including the creation and organization of your affiliate links. The tool will search your website for names, locations, keywords, and key phrases, and then it will automatically add your one-of-a-kind affiliate link in those spots where it is appropriate to do so. You won't have any trouble signing up for the network, navigating it, or finding your preferred brands, goods, or services once you do so. 9. Skimlinks. More than 20 for those and different brands are currently utilizing the Skimlinks affiliate network, making it one of the most extensive ones. You are free to be as selective as you like in selecting your affiliate companies, picking only those businesses that have a genuine impact on you. You will be provided with a link creation tool that, once activated, will automatically generate ready-made affiliate links for you to track. Additionally, in order to begin monetizing your forums, you will find creative ways to utilize all of the user-generated content that is currently present on your website. Skimlinks do have one major drawback, which is unfortunate. The company will charge you a 25% fee on top of your commissions and has issues with making payments on time. When submitting your application for the program, keep this in mind. 8. ShareASale. ShareASale is an affiliate marketing platform that is a part of the AWIN network and offers many of the same perks as its parent company. It connects thousands of brands and marketers through the use of cutting-edge technology in order to facilitate business between the two parties. You will take pleasure in a streamlined application process that is completely user-friendly for novices. You will receive rates that are competitive, payments that are made on time, and support that is both responsive and always available to assist you. You will have complete access to your performance metrics, including conversion rates, average performance, and earnings. This is the most important benefit. 7. Rakuten Advertising. Rakuten Advertising collaborates with tens of thousands of different brands and different marketers all over the world. It has a vast network of businesses with which you can work together, regardless of the specific field in which you operate. It is easy to understand and navigate, and it provides compensation that is both competitive and based on how well you perform. You will be assigned a personal account manager who will assist you in getting started and provide support whenever it is required of you to do so. The approval rates of Rakuten, on the other hand, leave something to be desired. In spite of the fact that it is intended to be a user-friendly network for newcomers, it does have stringent requirements for newcomers. Because of this, you will need to have a solid online presence in order to begin working with their affiliate program. 6. Impact. Many people consider Impact to be the most effective affiliate network for people just starting out. It has a user interface that has been thoughtfully designed, and it provides clear insight into both your performance and the key metrics. The process of signing up is quick and simple, and the majority of brands will accept your partnership within a short amount of time. The support teams for Impact are very helpful, and the tutorial articles on the website will provide you with all of the information that you require to get started. 5. FlexOffers. Although FlexOffers is a relatively small network, it does boast approximately 12,000 affiliate programs and 500 advertisers. However, this business is just getting started. You can easily find a brand category on the platform that corresponds to your niche because it contains a wide variety of brand categories, some of which include education, entertainment, automotive businesses, sports, and even legal services. To get started with FlexOffers, you will need to have previous experience working as an affiliate. You will also need a website that is professionally designed and receives a significant amount of monthly traffic. In that case, you won't have any luck finding brands that are willing to collaborate with you. You could, however, sign up for FlexOffers sub-affiliate program instead. This would require you to use FlexOffers affiliate link, after which you and the company would divide any commissions earned. 4. ClickBank. ClickBank is yet another reputable online network that has been around for many years. It has over 6 million customers all over the world and is recognized as one of the most charitable networks that are currently available. You could earn as much as a 90% commission on the sales that you help generate, depending on the brand that you partner with, as well as your reach and overall performance. This commission would be earned on sales that you help generate. You will almost never be required to get pre-approval from the brand that you want to work with before you can begin using their affiliate links. You might get instant access to marketing materials, brand logos, pre-sale pages, and other things, which would make your job an awful lot simpler. 3. Commission Junction. Commission Junction, also known as CJ, has been in operation for more than 20 years, making it one of the most established affiliate networks currently available. Because it has thousands of customers all over the world, you shouldn't have any trouble finding a brand that corresponds to your specialized field. Even if you have no prior experience, registering for this platform and getting started collaborating with the brands you love the most is a simple process. The only drawback to participating in CJ's affiliate program is that every brand has its own specific requirements for marketers to fulfill. It can get complicated if you want to collaborate with multiple brands because you will need to make sure that you meet the requirements of each brand individually. 2. AWIN. AWIN is a network for affiliate marketers that is rapidly gaining popularity. It does not have as extensive of a product offering as Amazon does, but it does have a sizable variety of categories that the vast majority of site owners, bloggers, and influencers will find appropriate for their respective audiences. Retail, wholesale, telecommunications, and transportation are the sectors represented here, along with finance and insurance. Because this platform has more than 2 lakh publishers and 16,500 affiliate marketers, it will be simple for you to integrate yourself into the community. The fact that AWIN provides users with a Chrome extension that can automatically generate affiliate links that are immediately ready for use is one of the most significant benefits. You won't be sorry that you joined it, despite the fact that it's a relatively new network, because it already has a solid reputation as a dependable platform for affiliate marketing. 1. Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is widely considered to be the most successful affiliate program currently available. While browsing the internet over the past few days, there is a good chance that you have come across hundreds of websites that are affiliated with Amazon. Amazon is a company that has substantially advanced the state-of-the-art of affiliate marketing. You have the option of promoting any product that is sold in the e-commerce store, including food, clothing, accessories, strange home decor, and anything else you can think of. You can easily find excellent products to promote, regardless of the market or audience you're targeting. Because it is so simple to use, the Amazon Associates program is ideal for those who are just beginning their careers in affiliate marketing. The pay is a little bit below what you might anticipate, but you can count on being paid in full and on time no matter what. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.